Ikuan. How to make banana guns. First, you have to cut hair. Ha? Hair. And then, you cut over there.
See? Like this. Just like this, just like this. And you cut over here, okay? Smart pa sila.
Okay. Atay bangag. So sa magag, ang magasin.
Wala ito magasin. Ato na yung suksok. Na, try. Okay, na. Ano ba? Sunod, ang scope. Ipan pa diha. Ato lang iskasipan. Okay.
Ito.
Wala siya.
Like, just like that, ha?
Oh, nga na, pagputol.
Akon pagputol. Okay. Now, Smaki, you try. You try. Go. Over there, ha? Sa taas kayo, may go. Ay, go. Sil. Yawa! Uy, bigo ta!